Let's go, everyone. Today, I'm super excited to unbox this new DJI Osmo Mobile 6 Gimbal. So, here's what the package looks like. Smartphone stabilizer, so gimbal for my iPhone. Gonna pump out awesome new YouTube content and new YouTube channel ideas, and gonna use this bad boy to come up with that new content. Here we go. Yeah, gonna be doing all this stuff, all this action stuff with this guy. So super excited. Here we go. This just came out recently, so let me find a good place to break this open. All right, got through the plastic seal. Oh, okay. Little pull tab. Pull the pull tab. It says open here. Oh, got it. Here we go. Ooh. All right, set up, how to use it, 1, 2, 3, 4, looks pretty self-explanatory for a gimbal. Unfold the creativity, that's what's up, that's what I'm doing right now. Ooh, unfold the creativity, guys. Don't stop. What is this? Oh, looks like a, okay, quick start guide. Up in here. Nah, no time to see that. Ooh, pouch. Osmo. That's cool that they include a pouch for you. Down with that. What else is here? Oh, there's more in here. All right, charging cable. USB to micro USB. Anything else in here? Nah. All right, now part you've been waiting for. Here's the base. Wow. Base slash tripod. Ta-da. All right. Some silica gel to keep things fresh. What is this? I have no idea what this is. Looks like some foam. If required, use the anti-slip pads to secure the mobile phone in the phone holder. Okay, so anti-slip pads, got it. Let's check this out. Oh, okay, this is not a cooperative bag, so got to tear it up. Wow, here is the Osmo 6. This is dope. So, gonna be running around doing all my action shots for another YouTube channel. I'll link you all to it later. Ooh, whoa, look at it. Bends in all these different, whoa, okay. So I've never had a gimbal before, but I will figure this out. So, kind of crazy right now. Don't know all the ways it turns, but it is. Yeah, mount a phone on here, do my action stuff, and mount this onto here as a tripod. So many options. So this will be fun. All right, then I think this is a magnetic clip for a smartphone. Cool. That's it. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you enjoyed this video, and talk to you next time. Later.